What's up guys, so this is the TikTok wireless Bluetooth speaker I bought a while ago and today I'm going to review it. This is the box that it came in and you can find some information about it on the side. It only came with a manual and a micro USB charging cable, so there was no auxiliary cable included. First impressions, it's a bit heavy. It weighs around 260 grams or 0.58 pounds. So it's heavier than the JBL Go 3 which only weighs 0.46 pounds. The body is all plastic and the speaker grill is metal. It has two rubber feet located on the right side, and on this side you will find the micro USB port for charging and the aux port. Hidden on this side is the TF slot for your micro SD card, and they say it supports only up to 32 gigabytes. Anything higher, it will not work. On the back you will find only 3 buttons, and some of these buttons have 2 functions while the others have 3. I will put on your screen what happens if you short press, long press, and double press. The RGB lights have 6 different effects, and you can also turn them off if you want. If you are wondering if the RGB lights sync with the music, yes it does, but it's upside down. If you're confused, just keep watching. I will show it to you during the sound test, which is what we're going to do next. So please don't forget to wear some good quality earphones or headphones for this part. Enjoy.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
As you heard during the sound test, there's a little bit of rattling noise coming from the speaker, and that's because the buttons at the back are loose, so it will make noise when the speaker gets louder and you don't get any punchy bass at all. So if your main concern is bass, then this is not for you. It's more for decorating your table and playing relaxing music during the night. I'm planning to open the speaker up and see what it looks like on the inside, so if you don't want to miss that video, please consider subscribing and also click on the bell icon. That way you won't miss that video or any of my other future videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll get you guys on the next video. Peace.